Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rashmi. Ayurveda can be a better choice in case of hypothyroidism. Now, what is hypothyroidism? It is a condition related with the thyroid gland where its functioning will be reduced, resulting in increased levels of thyroid stimulating hormone in the blood. That is basically TSH levels are more. This might be accidentally found. Uh, as a general checkup, you might go for blood test and accidentally the TSH levels might be high, and then you will be knowing that you are having hypothyroidism. Or you might be having symptoms like weight gain, hair fall, mood swings, depression, joint pain. So, such kind of symptoms, even irregular periods, all these may point out towards hypothyroidism. So, when your blood tests are done with respect to thyroid profile, results may come with high TSH levels. So, whenever you are newly diagnosed, if at all recently you have come to know that you are having hypothyroidism, and then if you are planning to consult a doctor, definitely Ayurveda could be your better choice because this can help in reversing the condition. Basically, there is a notion that hypothyroidism patients generally have to take the hormonal replacement therapy throughout their life. And there are so many patients who are on medication, and year by year, the dosage of the tablet may be increasing, which may not be the case in Ayurveda. If you're a newly diagnosed patient of hypothyroidism, then chances are high that your thyroid gland may start functioning normally with Ayurveda medications within few months or a year or so. And if at all you are already taking the medicines from many years, that then also Ayurveda can help as a supportive system because there are so many patients who have this dosage increase of thyroxine every year, and also they will be having symptoms along with the medications also related with hypothyroidism like muscle pain, joint pain, lethargy, tiredness. So these kind of symptoms can be very well managed to Ayurveda medication. So if at all you know somebody who is suffering with hypothyroidism, recently diagnosed, they don't want to take medications lifelong, I think Ayurveda could be the better science to consult. Thank you.